Okay, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna set up the pool today, and this is gonna be the fourth year for our pool, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, well, I got the pool out of the basement closet. I brought up the other stuff, pool supplies, and we still have leftover chlorine tablets from last year, and we actually have, looks like we have a filter, which is cool, our pump, and here's our hoses. I got the pump ready for the top, and everything's wrapped up like it was last year. This is year 4, so what I'm going to do is rip this off, untie it, and kind of let it sit in the sun for a little bit, because it's kind of in a closet downstairs where we have air conditioning down there, and the air conditioning just it's kind of hot right now. The actual, I mean, it's cold, so the pool's kind of hard, like you kind of see there's a wrinkle crease. So I'm just gonna kind of let it sit in the sun for a little bit. I'm gonna pull it out. Over there's where we're gonna put the pool. You can kind of see right here is where the pool goes, and you can see some of the different kind of grass I had planted right there, but the rest of it has grown in really well, so you have to check the video out for that. So before I do anything, you can kind of see some of the talcum powder from years past. I'm just gonna let it kind of thaw out a little bit. Okay, so now we laid out where we're gonna put the pool, and just kind of lay that there for now, and then I'm gonna put the pool itself on there and roll it out. Well, it's just so we know where it is. Make sure that this is on. That's it. Now we're gonna blow it. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, And this one that has this, go here.
That breeze feels nice.
Okay. Now, make sure it's locked. Now you need to clean. We take Clorox wipes and just kind of wipe it out, clean the inside and the tube on the top. It's really not that dirty, but it's 4 years old. Inside's still pretty clean.
Ready?
And it's just filling up with water. Just like the other video from last year, we'll just, as it fills up with water, we'll pick up the top part and push out with our feet so that there's not wrinkles. And right now you can see there really aren't that many wrinkles, so that's it. It's looking good. Okay, it's been filling up for a couple hours now, and it's probably, I mean, you can see I didn't do much with it. My wife was the one that actually got in there and kind of just helped the wrinkles out along the edges. And I don't know, it's about 2 or 3 inches right now. It's been going for a while. We have the water coming tomorrow, so the truck only holds so many gallons, so we're going to fill this up as much as we can until then. So it is just about perfect. It's a little high as far as how much water we got in there, but like a whole load, 4,000 gallons means I've already put several hundred gallons in myself from my own house, from my hose. But we get it delivered, took about 15 minutes maybe, and that's it. Looks great. Next thing we'll do is hook up the pump. You doing this? You gotta get out of the way.
Yes, I'm doing it.
You recording?
No. Yes, I am.
Wait, I'm missing a filter.
Oh, wait. I feel like I've seen that.
There we go. This looks like this thing's loose. So remember. Something's not right here. Come on. There. Okay, these two things are open. Okay. Now. Over here.
Did you unlock it?
Mm-hmm. That's what's coming out here.
Oh! I want to get my camera. Oh, it did. Yeah.
There's a little bit of
Oh, look. Oh, I hope that didn't ruin it. I can zoom in from behind. So.
That's it for that. Now, do these. Ooh. Make sure you get it in there. I mean, I'm just saying this for myself. If you don't, there it is. That's it. Well done.